Okay, in order to make my own mosaic in the style of Jim Bachor, I'm going to need a bunch of supplies today. I'm going to need a dark color paper to work on top of. I happen to have an old scrap of black paper that I used as my placemat last week. A white crayon can be really helpful to drawing out your design, a bottle of glue, and some scrap paper. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start with, on my black paper, drawing out my design. Now, we saw Jim Bachor use all kinds of desserts and treats. And as we're getting into some warmer weather, I can't help but think about ice cream. So I'm going to draw myself a really simple ice cream cone, just a triangle at the bottom, kind of a worm or a snake in the middle to be that ruffle where the ice cream kind of goes nuts, and then my round cone at the top. And that's really enough of a drawing here. Then I need to start to think about my colors. Whatever colors I'm going to use, I need to take my paper and I need to start cutting my paper into small mosaic pieces in order to fill up my ice cream cone and their surrounding space. Now, because we're cutting a lot of paper and we're destroying things here, this is a great time to use up some old scrap paper. Look for oddball sizes of paper that nobody around the house wants to use anymore, or even look for old junk mail. Sometimes our junk mail comes in fun, pretty colors, and it doesn't matter. You're cutting it up. If there are some words or some letters on that junk mail, it's not going to be a problem. As you cut up your pieces, try to keep each different pile of colors sorted. That will make your life easier when we go to start to place our pieces in the next video, because you'll know each piece fits. Now, if you have some bigger, fatter pieces of junk mail, like this one here, you could even take and fold it in half before you cut, and then cut a stripe on the inside where you fold it. And then when I cut again, I'll end up with these nice little beautiful pieces. Okay, so go ahead, find your colors and get your pieces cut.